njoo kidogo tuzungumze. Huyu ni mwanangu, mambo vipi kaka?
Nashukuru Mungu anasaidia.
Unaitwa nani?
Mimi najulikana kama Edwin Mchina, lakini wananijua sana na jina la Mchina. Na nashukuru kuwa hapa kwenye show. Mambo yanaenda.
What is really happening tonight?
This is Burna Boy in Kenya. Huenda sio mara yake ya kwanza, lakini for this time amekuja na uzito na amekuja na ukubwa zaidi, lakini na show ambavyo ameleta mpaka gear na a whole track of equipment. Man, this guy moves different, so we are challenged as creators in the country, but we are always ready for the challenge.
Yeah. How do you feel now to handle all this pressure and challenge to deliver for Burna Boy?
I think this is huge. I've done shows before. I've done gigs. I've been in the event industry for like say 4 or 5 years. But I mean, this is international, and this is what we've always been waiting for to get to such levels. Because when you find that it's the director, the sound engineer, of course, so many of us online know him, T.O. or Tolani. So I mean, working alongside such a guy is quite an achievement for my career as well.
So for how long have you guys been preparing for this?
Sorry?
For how long have you guys been preparing for this?
I think it's more than a month. We had all of what you see here in the warehouse, the Sam's Media Studios. We did the whole setup. We had the camera cues. He sent the camera cues for his show. So we've been practicing for him and also in other events, because we knew that this is coming in March. It was to come in December, but it did come. So we were ready for the same. And so we've been practicing for a whole month or so. Yeah, or even more.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best.
Nashukuru sana.
Jamaa ana handle nini? Yeye handle nini? Video.
Like a content just.
Kama atazungumza, ukiweza kumuuliza kama atatupa fursa tuzungumze kidogo. But ningependa waoneshe hizo machinery pale hivyo. Ukiangalia hii ni visuals audio na wanafanya vitu za kipekee, amazing sana. So tuko hapa kuzungumza na team. So if it's possible, as you can see that sound area. Now they're doing something different. So just here to make sure that Burna Boy has it done the right way. Imagine all those equipments unaziona zimekuwa imported. These guys have been preparing for a month. Dedication, hard work, pressure, and time. This is more than a feeling. You good? All right. Yo, my G, how are you, man? Good to see you.
I'm good, man.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you, man.
How is it so far?
I mean, the weather is beautiful.
It is beautiful, amazing.
It's 3 degrees right now in England.